How to delete League of Legends account. So if you want to delete your account, then all you have to do is open up your League of Legends account, and then on the upper right corner you will have my account. Click on that, and then you will have settings. Go to settings, and before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here on the upper corner you will have a support option. Click on support, and then here click on the League of Legends, and here you will have a search bar. You can search for delete, and then if you scroll down, click on deleting your Riot account and all your data. And here if you scroll down, you will have 30-day grace period. After queuing your account for deletion, you have 30 days to change your mind. If you do not notify us that you wish to stop this process, your account will be fully deleted and your account will not be recoverable. So yeah, after that you have to enter all of your information. For now I have not logged into my account, but after logging in you will have the option where it will ask you for your username, your email, your password and all of your information. And after entering all of your information, you will find a delete option. Then you can click on delete and your account will be deleted if you don't log into your account till 30 days. So that's it guys, that's how you delete League of Legends account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.